Last time on Fidko 7. Last time we had joining of the day in which Daddy Anthony and Cody Whaley joined the game. Then after that, new teams were made, which consists of 3 teams of 5. Yeah. The challenge was to make a recovery center or get a recovery center. Darwin won the challenge, and when you win a challenge, you can pick what team goes up for elimination. He was chosen up for elimination, and that's where we left off on Fidko. Hey rejects, want to join the game? Don't you think this is a bit much? I mean, we just had 2 joiners last episode. Before that, let's recover some people to add to the rejects. RC, recover, crewmate, Squid Game guard, Fang, Hatman, yeah, you're staying dead. Hey, rejects! Yeah, are you guys ready to join the game? The first person to get the correct answer of 2 + 2 is the joiner of Fidko. The answer's 4. Correct. Biggie Cheese joins. Wait, I forgot to put Squid Game guard on the challenge, so I guess it's just fair if he joins too.
What? Another one? Are you kidding me? You know what? I'm done. Recovery center, bring back
David. Wait, where am I?
Oh, it's so over for all of you. What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here. I'ma call 4.
Oh, you're not calling anyone, punk. Put him up.
What does it feel? I don't feel too good.
Hello, David. I'm gonna kill you now.
What? Why?
Because I was told to.
By who?
Recover Anthony. Oops.
4.
Oh. What just happened?
David, I think you should host the show now.
Kids these days. Am I right, Randy?
Dang, I'm gonna miss him. You're only saying that because you both got in, huh? Yeah.
They gon' work you to your grave, clocking in to get the pay, pay the fee to be the slave, wake up for another day, got your life on repeat, you'll see me on TV, capping, counting nothing, you'll do you, I'll do me.
Well, what team are we gonna be on? Well, I guess you guys can be on your own team, I guess. What team was up for elimination last episode? Oh, come on!
Shadow of the day, take yourself away. We're shadow of the day.
Dang, it's been a long time since I've seen that. Was the Kindmaster logo really that small? Anyways, yeah, you. How many votes did we get last episode? Looks like 6'0" is Hydro, Taco Guy, and Red Darwin? Looks like the final people left are HYB Fan and Pixel Guy? Oh, come on, man, that's not even my name. Pixel Bro is safe with 1 vote, and HYB Fan is eliminated with 2. HYB Fan, I guess you can just leave us alone. I don't know how to eliminate you. Can you guys, choose a team to be up for elimination? Idiots, too! Because that stupid science guy is on that team.
Well, there you have it. Vote on someone from the idiots 2 to be eliminated. Use the ladder and square brackets. Yeah.